So I'm sitting outside the mechanics, waiting for my friend to pick me up. It's Monday. My car broke down today. I drove 150 kilometers. And then I was turning into my place of work, into the parking lot. And the brakes went. Then my foot went right to the floor. No brakes. Pulled on the emergency brake, pulled into the parking lot, called CAA, taught my class, came out of my class, CAA showed up, threw my car on the flatbed here, towed me to the mechanics. I'm really finding it hard to be pissed off about it because the brakes could have gone on the highway. They could have gone at any other moment, and I would be in a much different situation than I am currently in. So I'm counting my blessings today. Not even a little bit pissed off. Cars be cars. Cars suck. They depreciate. They get worse over time. You have to buy another one every so often. It sucks. It's the game, man. That's life. Happy Monday. Welcome to my first indoor day in weeks. I've been outside painting the house for, well, like a month now. I have not touched the inside of the house. So today is very, very rainy. Hurricane Melissa has just hit Jamaica. And I'm about to sand floors. I'm gonna start with a little vacuuming though, because there's some paint over there. Hi, June. I'm gonna put my ears on. So I'm gonna do a coat of this, then I'm gonna wait for that to dry. It says 2 hours, I'm gonna wait 3. Then I'm gonna give it a very light sand with the 220. And then I'm gonna apply another coat, wait for 3 hours, give it a very light sand, and then the third coat. So 3 coats of this, that should do it. The key with this is to put it on in thin coats and to do many coats. So that's why it's 3. So that's what I'm about to do. This whole project, months in the making. It's gonna be great. Third bedroom is done. It's looking really, really good. I think I'm getting better at this. And here's the hallway. This all needs to be sanded more. Here's what I did this morning. There's still so much to do. Good morning. I'm being a bit quiet this morning because my kids are sleeping upstairs. I have 3 finished bedrooms. They are sleeping in. It's raining out today. I just love waking up here. I just had my coffee. Coffee tastes better here. I don't know what it is, but it could also be that it's my only morning where I don't have to get up before 5:30, and I like that. So this morning I'm just gonna hit what I'm calling some low-hanging fruit. I have 2 areas downstairs where I need to put in some insulation and some vapor barrier and then drywall so that I can get an energy assessment done. So in order to get an energy assessment, you need to have the envelope of the house intact. I've messed with the envelope quite a bit, and I have 2 more places that I need to just make sure that's good. And it makes sense to do that because I've just been turning on the heat in the last week because I had the ducts professionally cleaned. They were full of stuff. So because I have the heat on, I want to make sure that the heat is staying in the house. So I'm going to finish with the envelope this morning, hopefully. So first I have to clear out a bunch of stuff from the 2 spots. Thank you for your patience in waiting for this video. I know it's been a long time. I have been sanding floors and painting the exterior, which both things are really long jobs. They've both taken a very long amount of time to complete and are very mundane. I just didn't think it made good content, which is why I haven't been putting up videos. Here we go. new hack, which is to use paint sticks as shims or furring strips if you don't have a table saw and you're just trying to get something done before you go to work. It's fine. I just put these along the spots where I needed to put the screws, and it takes it out to just the right level to be able to put the drywall on. Yay! All that for just one little piece of drywall. Well, this is the end of the weekend. Hi, Theo. I got this done. Insulation in there. Vapor barrier. A little bit of drywall. Good. And then all the trim that was here is in the basement now. We made some nice piles to clear this out so that Steve could do the mudding on the walls. So this was all old plaster. So yeah, all of this old plaster was cracking. It had soft spots, and it is all good now. Then in the front hall, same thing. All that trim has been cleared to the basement. And then upstairs, this floor is done ski. The whole floor upstairs is done. Sanded, scraped, sanded again, and varnished with 3 layers. This room, so cute. This room, so cute. In the hallway, look how great it looks up here. It's come so far. River. It's a rainy weekend.